In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your MacBook Air using recovery mode if you did forget your password, for example, or you just don't have it. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And I do want to apologize beforehand. This is going to be a little bit hard to demonstrate just because, I'm currently screen recording. But what you're going to want to do is hold down your power button on your MacBook until it completely turns off and keep holding it until the screen goes fully black. After the screen is fully black, just press and hold the power button again and keep holding it until you see the loading startup options and then let go. And you should now see an option to see your drive or an options icon on here as well. Go ahead and select that options icon and from here, continue. And your Mac will load into recovery mode. Now, you may see a screen asking you to select a user that you do know the password for. If you did forget the password, for example, just choose the forgot password option and follow the prompts to reset it. If the Mac is linked to an Apple account, though, you also may need to sign in or use Apple's official recovery steps to continue. Enter in the email or phone number connected to that account and follow the verification steps. And whenever you finish that recovery process, you'll be able to reset your password or continue with the erase process through the Mac OS recovery. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.